What's going on, folks? Taking a look here at the markets. Looking at Casper this morning. Looks like we are currently down 3.4%, getting a small bounce, putting us down less than we were not long ago, which was about 5.5%. So looking at the current move here and some areas of importance. So for Casper so far is trying to find some support based on this most recent swing high at the 50% retracement on the log scale, I should say. So the 50% retracement is basically right around here at 2.9. Looks like we wicked down to that and starting to bounce a little bit here. That's the area I am keeping my eye on there if we're going to find some support or continue lower. So that is just the swing low to swing high, this most recent bounce here. And then so far we've had looks like a 50% retracement at the 2.9 level on the log scale. So far, so good. Little pullback on this recent pretty wild move from basically 2.4, which was our lower target, and then we had an upper target, which we did exceed, but obviously we pulled back below that, which I had mentioned. That is normal action at the 334. So these areas on my chart, these white horizontal lines you'll see, are areas of basically floors and ceilings. So you'll get down to a lower one and you'll expect a bounce, and you'll get up to a higher level and you'll expect a area of resistance or a bounce off of that, pushing the price back down. So right now, like I said, 50% retracement support on the log scale. Those prices still remain in action, which would be the 334 area right in here. And we also have some lower areas to mention as the current swing high is either in a pause or the tides are changing to the downside. So I'm going to bring those up here on the chart. So we have a new area down in here at, it is 21.20. So it puts us right below the low so far of 22.24. Actually, the low was 22.23. Our area is at 24. And then we have a new area below that right here at 21.20. So that is an area, if the price continues lower, that we would expect the price to bounce there if it doesn't bounce at the 224 area. So all assuming that the trend is working its way lower, and these are areas of importance. There's also an area at 1439 I don't have on the chart. I have 1740. That is supposed to be 1439, so that actually puts us even lower. But right now, as the price is up here, trying to find some support at the 50 retrace, which is right around 2.9. And then below the market, a new level that popped up is the 21.20 area. And then still in play is above the market at the 334. So if the price can bounce here, what we would be looking for, let me get rid of these fibs, is we would be looking for the price to get above this 334 area and break out. So assuming the trends are continuing higher, keep your eye on Bitcoin, then there's more of a chance of 334 coming into play than there is of either 224 or 2120 down in here. Of course, at least that is my opinion there. So we'll have to see what happens here, but after a 49 or 50% move from level 1 to level 2, a slight pullback, in my opinion, is normal trading action. If you haven't watched any of the other videos, at least recently on Casper, we also have other areas of importance to the upside. So that would be the 509 area, the 727 area, and then up here at the 12-cent area. And there actually is, I believe, some higher prices as well. Yes, and we have one up here at 30.88. So we will see what happens here with the price. So far today is another lower low. We put in a high on the 27th and then the 28th, and then so far today nothing but lower lows. So far the current uptrend is has been completed, and we are in a new downtrend. Now that doesn't mean the downtrend will continue lower for weeks or months. Right now it is just a day-by-day play we are watching here. So we will see what happens here. If we start making higher prices, then we could be in a continuation basically of this uptrend. But in theory, that would be a new uptrend beginning. So just keeping an eye here, not too much, but just wanted to mention that new the 2120 level down here. That is new. And then so far finding support at the 50% retrace based off this current swing high, swing low on the log scale. Of course, we are on TradingView. So that is pretty much going to wrap it up for this video. Let me know your thoughts on the market and Casper, as always, down in the video comments. Those positioned down in these levels can withstand these pullbacks because you are positioned at much lower prices, or maybe you're a dollar cost average trader. Either way, interesting times to say the least here in the markets. So, all right, we look forward to the days ahead here with the price, as so far we find support at the 50% retrace, and let's see what happens here. All right, guys, take care, and I'll catch you in the next video.